I always wanted to start a company. It was more a matter of kind of when and what. It was just something that was always part of who I wanted to be. That was my dream. Bluetrain, we're a digital marketing agency. Our focus is kind of that data-driven digital marketing to help clients on a continual basis. We're trying to be, their kind of outsourced digital marketing team on an ongoing basis. Our team focus is just to do great things with great people. What that means to us is a few things. One, on the business side, we're trying to make our clients extremely happy, build great relationships, and work with awesome people and get those big results. On the internal side, it also means to us that we're going to have fun doing it. We're going to give back to the community and do some of the volunteering work as well. So we do a lot of those things just to have those break moments and just enjoy being together. There's times when you walk in here and it's as quiet as a library because everyone's got their earphones on and their heads down and working hard. And there's times you walk in here and it's chaos and loud and people laughing and talking and that is the culture we've tried to build, I think, is we all take our work seriously and we all really care. So we do work hard, but at the same time, we've built a close-knit team that enjoys working together and we take those moments and those breaks to just have a conversation and to go and do. Like every month we are doing fun social team activities. You're seeing the team, right? And everyone kind of working together and having fun together. So those are my proudest moments. To me, the success is seeing that we have this amazing team of people. We have an amazing set of clients. We're still engaged, right? We're still engaged, we're still enjoying doing it, and we're enjoying building a real fun company to work at and to hopefully continue to have success.